Don't judge me, because I know we are going to be like, this lady, you're always promising you won't do product haul. I love makeup a lot. I can't help myself at times, but next year 2021 I'm going to be on a budget. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ivy and I'm a makeup artist based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. And in today's video, I'm so happy because this was a long time coming. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my Huda Beauty makeup haul. And this is the content you like to see. You want to see what I got, then please keep on watching. And don't forget to like, comment, share. You know now the whole deal. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel down below, okay? Let's get to find the video. It's a very juicy one. Huda Beauty sent me, I was just on my own, in my room. And Huda Beauty sent me a mail saying that they were having 50% off Black Friday sales. Gosh, in fact, I lost. I didn't know what to do with myself because I had already purchased from Julia's place and I had exceeded my $100 monthly limit, and the sale was going to be on for a couple of hours, and so I quickly had to call my other bank, activate my Naira card, and got my other $100 I could use for this purchase. Now I'm sure you are wondering, got $100 how? What's going on? Well, brief story. CBN recently gave banks this policy and guidelines where each customer was to have a monthly limit of $100 on their Naira account or on their Naira debit card. Now, if you have a dumb account, you can fund your account and do whatever you like. But if through your Naira card, you are restricted to $100 a month, and CBN pegged the exchange rate for that amount to 397 Naira. So irrespective of what's going on in the parallel market, have a fixed and standard price. I think that is a bit better for us, because on the parallel market, dollar exchange rate is just absurd. So I went ahead and I got this product because guess what? Huda Beauty offers free international shipping for every order over $75, and they ship with DHL. I couldn't let this offer pass me by. I quickly ran because I have a video coming up, holiday Christmas makeup look, and I just felt like, let me just use only Huda Beauty products, and I had a couple of the products and decided to go ahead and get some more of the products. Okay, so came well packaged in bubble wraps, and I got the Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation in 540 chocolate truffle. There's this YouTuber I follow who I always try to color match myself to, Too Much Mouth, and she had a review on this foundation, the 540 and the 550R, and I actually preferred this on her because it has a golden undertone. So I went ahead to get this. It's the second to the last darkest shade on the site. And then I know Huda Beauty just came out with a stick foundation, but I'm not a stick foundation kind of girl. Like, I prefer the liquid foundations. Right here in Nigeria, Huda Beauty foundations, depending on the website you go to, cost anywhere between 22 to 26 or 27,000 Naira, and on a good day this cost around $40 or so, but I got it for half the price of that, so that was quite a steal. And I actually got free shipping as well. It's a high-end product, but it is actually worth it. And one other thing I will advise you to do when getting products from Huda Beauty, please don't get those hazardous items as samples like perfumes and all of that, because when you get into Nigeria you'll be asked to pay some fees. So I would advise you get, like I did, the Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. This was a free sample I chose. They also have mascara, the mascara sample, and some other things. So just pick those items over the perfume. I know it's tempting, but when it does come in, if you pick those items, you're going to pay through your nose. So I didn't pay anything at all. They didn't charge me. So this was the sample gift I got. Thank you, Huda Beauty. And then I got this Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions eyeshadow palette, which looks like this. This color is so beautiful, guys. Can you see the pigmentation on this? Wow. Quick one. In 2017, Huda Beauty was having a giveaway, and so I decided to enter into the giveaway at the last minute, like a date when it was supposed to end. And a couple of days after, I got a notification from Huda Beauty that I was among one of the 11 winners of the giveaway. And within a week, I mean, that very day they took my details and everything, and within a week, DHL was knocking at my door with products, a lot of products. I'm going to leave pictures and link of the giveaway somewhere here as I'm talking about this. And gosh, that was like the first thing I had really won. It was really surreal. I got a lot of lashes. I got the Huda Beauty Golden Sand highlighter. I got the rose gold eyeshadow palette. I got the liquid lipsticks in packs, in sets. I got the lash glue. That's when I fell in love with the Huda Beauty lash glue. And so on a normal day, I would not have been able to try this product because it's really high end. But since that day, I tested those products and discovered that they were really, really good. I have been patronizing Huda Beauty from time to time. Okay, this is the second item I got, or the third item that came with this alongside it. Then I got the Huda Beauty Dual Eyeliner Pencil and Liquid Eyeliner. It's double-ended. It has the pencil at one end and it has the liquid liner at the other end. I actually, in fact, I'm not using it, but I actually know that this is going to be a good one, a good buy, because I've watched a lot of reviews about this and I'm hopeful. Now I got the Overachiever Concealer, finally! I got the Overachiever Concealer in the shade Peanut Butter. I didn't want to make a mistake. I researched on this concealer because I didn't want to make a mistake like this. I didn't want to make any mistake and get a concealer that I will not be able to use. It looks so beautiful, very bougie. So I got my shade Peanut Butter. This, I think, is going to be like my exact highlight shade, like the way I love it. I did a lot of research and that was what was recommended by most of the people I watch. And finally, I got the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder in what now? In Kunafa. So gosh, I'm so happy. So it looks like this. I actually watched a Nigerian YouTuber, Huda Beauty, and most times I like to match myself with her highlight shades because she's a bit darker than me, but some things we can use like similar shades. So she raved about this, and so I felt like Kunafa was not going to be too dark for me. I really don't like those very yellowish banana colors like Sasha. I think this one is going to be hot, and so I got this. I can't wait to try this out. Gosh, this is my Christmas gift to myself, my second Christmas gift to myself, and I think with that I am covered. Me, I prefer makeup any day over clothes, over shoes, over hair, over anything. Just do makeup and you made my day. So there you have it, guys, our Huda Beauty haul, and I really can't wait to like dive into this. Like, I've done the unboxing now, so I can actually start using these products. I can't wait. I'm really excited. And that is the end of our video for today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't judge me because I know we are going to be like, this lady, you're always promising you want to product haul. I love makeup a lot. I can't help myself at times, but next year 2021 I'm going to be on a budget because I have a lot of products I have kept and I bought now that are going to last me for a while into next year. So that's the end of our video. Once more, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Like, I hope you know how you live your life through others at times, like you just watch them doing things and you're like, oh wow, you just feel satisfied. Yes, so do same with these products, okay? So I'll let you know how it goes, how I love them going forward. I also hope you subscribe to my channel to join our family here on YouTube. We are growing gradually and we do release videos every week, so please turn on your post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload, which will be every week once again. And I'll see you in a very next video, which is next week. Bye guys.